Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is 19037 for Windows Insiders on the fast and slow ring. Once again, this has gone out to both rings as we're getting more or less to the end of this development, and pretty soon Microsoft will start pushing the next development to the fast ring. Slow ring will get this for a bit and then release preview and then released. Probably early first quarter of next year. What's changed in this build? Well, considering it was only a couple of days since we had the last build, there's actually no major changes. There's one slight change which I'll show you. If we go to manage optional features, you'll see that they've PowerShell ISE is now an optional feature. It's installed by default, but you cannot uninstall it, whereas before it was just part of the operating system. So there you go, PowerShell integrated scripting environment. You can now uninstall that if you wanted to. It goes with some other things, other optional features, so you can remove them like the SSH client or Windows Media Player or Internet Explorer. You can just lighten the installation slightly. The rest of the changes, well, there are no other changes. There's still some issues with this build, the BattlEye anti-cheat software, some issues installing the builds. With 0xC1900101 errors. They're still looking at that. There's still some people seeing extended hanging during the installation phase, and the USB start code error is still there. But apart from that, that's it really. There's not a huge amount of change to these builds. We are definitely at the end of the development process, and we'll soon see this making its way out, and I'll start focusing on the next builds of Windows 10 when Microsoft release those. You'll be able to see those videos here on the thedigitallife.com YouTube channel, and you can go all the way back to the first builds of Windows 10 on our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions, you can contact me at Twitter at ISDixon. Thanks for watching.